I came to Chiang Mai with one simple question. Can I actually build my dream life where I work from anywhere, explore new things, take care of myself, and yet be happy every single day? So, for the next 7 days, the rules are simple 3 to 4 hours of showing up at work every day, no matter what, 2 to 3 hours of exploring the city, and 1 hour of physical movement. No romanticizing, no running away, just testing if the digital nomad life is actually dreamy or just an aesthetic lie.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the part 2 of my Thailand series and it's almost 8 a.m. right now और मैं बस निकल रही हूँ breakfast करके check out करने. My flight is at 11:30 which means I have to reach the airport by 9:30. ये boarding pass मिल गया है and the good part is मैंने अपना passport cover भी लगा लिया and it looks very cute. Look at that. Chiang Mai is so pretty. Look at the sky, bhai. We aa gaya hai. Crazy.
Okay, day one started with that very specific new city excitement where everything feels beautiful.
Right, so my room is not ready yet, but I am at the property. The property is so pretty. मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. Look at this. This is the pool. And they also have like private pools in the rooms. However, इनके वो सारे occupied थे तो जो मेरा room है उसमें private pool नहीं है. The room will be ready I think in 1 hour or so. So it will be quite fun. You know, this place like Chiang Mai is giving me very Ubud Bali vibes. The same close to nature feel and everything which I love. Plus this day is extremely pretty. It's called Proud Phu Muang. I hope I'm pronouncing it right this way. I'll link everything in the description so in case you want to join in this channel. And yeah, वैसे सोच रही हूँ जब तक मेरा वो नहीं आ रहा है रूम नहीं होगा तब तक मैं स्विमिंग कर लूँ. I think that's a good choice. By the way, they also have like bicycles that you can rent out for free. And now I feel like doing that shit. That is the welcome drink. हाँ, मेरे को इतना टाइम लग गया in just shooting a couple of transitions that it is embarrassing. मतलब almost मैंने 45 minutes से 1 घंटा वेस्ट कर दिया. जितना टाइम मुझे लगा था मैं पूल में बिताऊंगी उतना टाइम बस कंटेंट शूट होने में लग गया. अब मैं थोड़ी स्विमिंग कर लेती हूँ. अभी भी मैंने ऐसे YT लॉन्ग फॉर्म के लिए शॉर्ट्स नहीं लिए हैं तो वो भी हम साथ में ले लिए. सो लेट्स गो.
And I feel this is why most of us love this lifestyle because it looks like freedom from the outside, but nobody realizes that when you actually have freedom and nobody is telling you what to do, you are the one who has to tell yourself what you have to do.
I feel good.
And my first insight was that freedom is not the opposite of discipline. Freedom actually needs discipline. I actually got this in college because if I don't decide when I'm working, when I'm exploring, when I'm resting, the whole day just becomes this blurry mix of guilt and distraction.
Okay, now we're going to the room. Why the room is crazy and I have to show you around. I can't even wait till the time I change. It's so crazy. I'm so proud of myself for finding this place. So this is how you enter. This is sort of the changing room area and I absolutely love this. The mirror situation, the entire thing. This is the washroom, this is the shower room, and then you go to the main room. Oh my god, what is this? This bed and then this place to like literally sit, chill, do whatever. I mean, I love this absolutely. The ceiling is so high and then we have this private bathtub situation. ये खुलता कैसे है? That will be a problem. Yes, I guess यहाँ से नहीं खुल रहा तो क्या वहाँ से? Yes, probably. ये ब्लॉक है क्या? अबे कुछ तो इसमें अच्छा ओके figured it out. Bhai, look at the bathtub and like this is a jhula I suppose, the chair, and this is my view. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm going to stay here for the next 2 days. Oh my god, this is so crazy. तो अभी के लिए I've just ordered food because बहुत भूख लग रही है from the hotel only, and I'm just going for a nice shower क्योंकि एक तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यक्की सा फील कर रही हूँ. सुबह शावर लेने का टाइम नहीं मिला था, अब तो स्विम भी कर लिया है, तो I'm going for the shower and उसके बाद खाते खाते let's get on to work.
And now that the dream is actually coming to life, it genuinely felt like a little fantasy moment. But to stay grounded, what I first did is to be extremely grateful for where I am, and now on to creating structure in my life. It is very important that I follow a certain routine and I have clear boundaries. When I'm working, I should only be working, and when I'm exploring, I have to just explore. However, my work is such that I have to keep working even when I'm exploring. So I have to film, I have to shoot. But apart from that, I tried my best to enjoy the trip as much as possible.
I've just changed my clothes because the pink is looking better because I'm just shooting a video. It's actually a reel जो मैंने script कर लिया है, बस shoot करना बाकी है, and I'm doing it here because the light is extremely good.
And for me, what works the best and brings out the most of my productivity is to sit at one place and do deep focus work blocks. I do not take smaller breaks. I work for 3-4 hours straight, especially on the days when I'm doing more of admin and editing work. I like to just keep going with the flow till the time I am just tired and I want to leave work. And that is exactly what I did on this day. 3-4 hours I worked, and now
Let's take our first grab bike of Thailand. इतने दिन से कैब में ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, but now it's good weather, तो हम जा सकते हैं बाइक पे.
of course, getting ready my equipment before I move out. I usually carry my GoPro and 2 phones along with a power bank and cash. And yeah, that is how I move out.
There's one weird thing about Thailand, and this I've seen in a couple more countries also, कि इनके यहाँ ग्राउंड फ्लोर नहीं होता. The ground floor is the first floor. So I am living on floor number 2, but technically मतलब इंडिया के हिसाब से वो first floor ही है. So it gets a little confusing on lifts etc.
My first stop for today was Niman Street because that is probably the city center, and that's the place the most shops and the most liveliest culture is.
Okay, I'm here at the 100 baht shop. Let's see what can I get.
For my physical movement today, I of course did swimming, but I do not think it completed my physical movement quota for the day. So I also finished my 10k steps, and Thailand आओ और massage ना कराओ तो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. So my first day in Chiang Mai, and I got a very quick foot massage. This was just 30 minutes, but it was so relaxing and so peaceful. My legs literally thanked me after this.
Just quickly come to 7-Eleven to grab some snacks. थाईलैंड में पानी देने का कल्चर ही नहीं है. मतलब अगर तुम रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाओगे, यू विल हैव टू अलग से आस्क कि आप मुझे लाके पानी दो, और अगर तुम नहीं पूछोगे तो यू कैन हैव द एंटायर मील एंड यू विल गो एंड पानी ऑफ़र भी नहीं करेंगे. एंड ठीक है, गेट इट, इंडिया में भी अब बहुत हो गया कि मिनरल वाटर ऑफ़र होता है, बट एटलीस्ट देयर इज़ अ वाटर बॉटल केप्ट. एंड दे ऑल्सो आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स व्हाइल यू आर ऑर्डरिंग कि आप मिनरल लोगे या रेगुलर लोगे. रेगुलर वाटर का तो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है बाहर की कंट्रीज़ में. चलो उसे तो हम भूल ही जाते हैं, कोई फ्री में पानी नहीं देता इंडिया के बाहर. लेकिन दे डोंट इवन लाइक आस्क यू फॉर वाटर. मतलब ग्लासेस आर नॉट केप्ट ऑन द टेबल. कल या परसों जिस जगह पे मैं बैंकॉक में खाना खा रही थी, लाइक दे इट वॉज़ अ वेरी नाइस रेस्टोरेंट, बट उनके पास ग्लासेस ही नहीं थे. व्हेन आई आस्क्ड फॉर वाटर, उन्होंने मुझे एक प्लास्टिक का ग्लास दिया. दिस इज़ अ प्लेस इन अ मॉल एंड उन्होंने मुझे प्लास्टिक का ग्लास दिया टू हैव वाटर. मतलब पता नहीं क्या वो है, बट इंडिया में वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना कि एवरी वन डिज़र्व्स फ्री वाटर, फ्री वॉशरूम, नो मैटर वो आपके रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाए ना खाए, नो रेस्टोरेंट कैन डिनाई दिस. आई फील लाइक दैट इज़ सो अंडररेटेड एंड वी टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो कई बार ऐसे होता है, दिस हैज़ हैपन टू मी इन बाली, कि मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है एंड द staff or the waiter has literally stood in front of the washroom saying कि पहले order something, only then can you go. I mean, it is embarrassing after a point, but yeah, that is how a lot of places outside India function. I mean, India में problems हैं, I get it, but like the things that are good in India, I mean, I feel like हम उन्हें कितना granted लेते हैं. This is just, I feel like this is such a, I mean, मेरे को बहुत बड़ा कल्चर शॉक लगा ये देख के. While the good part, sure, in countries like Thailand, Bali, Vietnam, the countries that I've visited as a content creator, they are very, very friendly to recording, to creating, to having a camera, to shooting all the time. इंडिया में अभी भी it is considered such a taboo to shoot. कई सारे दुकानों पे आप जाओगे, जगहों पे आप जाओगे, आप बिल्कुल आउटराइट मना कर देंगे शूट मत करो. जनपद टाइप मार्केट्स में अभी भी होता है, दे विल नॉट लेट यू शूट एनीथिंग. बट दीज पीपल आर सो नाइस, दे आर सो वेलकमिंग, दे इवन हेल्प यू शूट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. अगर मैं बोल दूँ कि आप प्लीज़ मेरा हेल्प कर दो, वो कर देंगे. मैं अपना गोप्रो इधर उधर अलग अलग टेबल्स पे रख रही हूँ जो मेरी हैं भी नहीं, एंड दे आर लिटरली हेल्पिंग मी. दे आर लाइक इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. मतलब इट इज़ सो गुड. अभी लाइक आई वॉज टॉकिंग एंड द वेटर केम टू गिव मी प्लेट्स. He literally said sorry to me while he was leaving, that sorry for interrupting your video, and I was like I'm not used to that. But they are very, very good in terms of like supporting, like they genuinely consider this a job, a career or something that somebody is doing very passionately. I was genuinely so confused if I should come to an Indian place to have dinner. But bhai, so worth it decision. This place is called Acha. This is in Chiang Mai in Neiman Street. क्रेज़ी भाई, क्रेज़ी खाना. मतलब इतना बढ़िया मसाला पापड़ इंडिया के बाहर मैंने आज तक टच नहीं किया. आई ऑर्डर्ड ये वेज कॉकटेल कबाब. मज़ा आ गया. इसको तो मैं टेक अवे करवा के लेके जाने वाली हूँ. रात को जब मैं बैठ के अपने लैपटॉप पे काम करूँगी, दिस विल बी माई स्नैक. भाई इट्स सो गुड. द राइट काइंड ऑफ मसाला, द राइट काइंड ऑफ स्पाइस. अगर तुम चियांग माई आ रहे हो एंड यू आर क्रेविंग सम गुड इंडियन फूड, यू शुड डेफिनेटली कम टू दिस प्लेस. एकदम सिटी सेंटर में है, यू विल लव इट.
So, day one for me ended on a good note. I could actually get things done, and I was slightly successful in also exploring the city. Now, let's see how day two goes.
Okay, so just one day you have to return 26, 8:30.
Yeah.
Now, with the start of day two, I also want to remind you and myself the life goals that I have set for myself, and every day taking smaller steps to work towards it, like having a good morning routine. And I feel I could do that at least in the morning today. I woke up a little early, did some reading, spent some time with myself alone, and then got ready to head out for work. Now, day two is when the reality actually starts to hit you that such a spontaneous and free lifestyle is not actually the best most of the times, especially for type A people like me. It takes a while for me to gather that it is okay to live spontaneously and it is okay in if I don't have all my plans sorted.
Can I please get one omelette?
You need well done or
Sorry,
you need soft omelette or well done? Well done.
soft.
Soft.
Okay, so my scooty is here. Let's go. ये है नंबर इसका. उसने बोला था वीडियो बना लेना before you actually start using it. तो एक क्विक सा वीडियो मैं इसी से ले लेती हूँ so that later on there are no issues. Okay, we are all set. मैंने मैप लगा लिया है यहाँ पे and my phone is here. GoPro भी मैं अभी यहीं रख दूँगी. Let us go. Hi guys, so I was supposed to go to Wat Phra Da Suthep, ऐसा कुछ करके उसका नाम है. It's like one of the most famous temples को यहाँ वॉट कहते हैं of Chiang Mai. But मैंने जैसे ही स्कूटी से जाना स्टार्ट किया ना, आई रियलाइज़ कि मेरे होटल से आगे बहुत ही हिली रास्ता है. मैं गई भी अराउंड 100-200 मीटर, बट देन आई डिच द प्लान कम्प्लीटली बिकॉज़ एक तो मुझे अपने लिए डर लग रहा था कि अगर इस हिली एरिया पे मैं गिर गई तो मेरे आगे पीछे कोई नहीं है मुझे बचाने, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड सेकेंडली द स्कूटी इज़ रेंटेड. अगर स्कूटी को कुछ हो गया गलती से फिर मैं उसके पैसे भरती फिरूँ इन अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू कंट्री. और मैं थोड़ा कोरिया के फ्रैक्चर ट्रॉमा से अभी तक रिकवर कर नहीं पाई हूँ. तो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स प्ले सेफ. आई वाज सपोज टू देन आई डिच द प्लान एंड मेरे को एक कैफ़े जाना था टू वर्क. रास्ते में मुझे एक और टेम्पल मिल गया है. सो राइट नाउ आई एम हियर. इट्स कॉल्ड वॉट लोक मोली. And yeah, let's go around.
And so today, since my exploration plans got a little haywire, I planned to keep a small exploration chunk in the morning and a small one in the evening. So in the morning, I got some peaceful vibes at the temple.
I figured you can actually write on these leaves that they've made. सब पे एक एक तरफ तो लिखा ही हुआ है. I don't know if I have to find a new leaf. Yes, this is new. इस पे people have written their names and dates and कुछ तो some other language में, I don't know. I'll just write my name.
And this is also where I noticed this tiny pressure building in the background. The pressure to make every day meaningful. Because when you travel to a beautiful city, you feel like you're not allowed to waste time. If you rest, you feel guilty. If you work too much, you're feeling you're missing out. And if you explore too much, you feel like you're falling behind at work. And exactly such is life.
Let's get working.
And now here, when I actually started working from a small cafe, I realized that living like a digital nomad is not just working from cute cafes and sipping coffee. The reality is I need stable Wi-Fi, enough battery, a quiet corner, decent lighting, food that does not make me sleepy, a place where I can comfortably sit for hours and not feel awkward, and enough mental energy left after work to still go outside and explore. And suddenly, this dreamy, flexible life started feeling like a full time logistics project. So, on my second day, actually, I figured out cute cafes like these are good to actually network. Like here, I met a South Korean girl called Yerin, and she was so nice. She checked out my socials, we had a good conversation, and it was like a nice networking event. Again, let me point it out that I am extremely grateful for this lifestyle and I am not complaining about it at all. But these were a few of my realizations that I noticed and am pointing it out. And while working at this cafe, I probably sat here for an hour or so, sipped on my coffee, tried it out since I'm also traveling. And once I got done with my journaling and ideation process, I decided to shift and move my base from here and actually go to this place called Camp Creatives and Co-working Space, because it is actually a co-working space which I felt might give me a better environment to do my focused work block.
Okay, I'm here at the shopping center. इसके अंदर co-working space है. मैं 2-3 बार गुम गई हो गई थी स्कूटी पे क्योंकि रास्ता ही नहीं मिल रहा था, बट फाइनली और लेट्स हेड. Okay, I've found the place exactly. Let's go.
Now, this place, at least for me, turned out to be much, much better than the previous one because this is properly a co working space. The seating is amazing, and I see a lot of people around me just working on their laptops and their iPads. I quickly got my food, which is some coffee and a garlic bread, which is like almost mandatory if you want to sit here. Like, you have to order at least something. So this is what I did, and I started working on my deck and also a video which had like a 3 hour long footage which had to be cut. In the middle, yes, I took a couple of breaks just to see around and go to the washroom once, and then I got back to work again.
I just finished attending a very interesting call with Gaurav. Here's a little sneak peek. Hi Gaurav, it's really nice
Hello.
meeting you.
So, on to me, I'm studying biological sciences and bioengineering. So,
Okay.
first of all, have you seen the application First Aid
Not yet. I'm so sorry.
emergency response application? What it has a list of emergency scenarios. You
Okay.
have like the search, and you have bunch of emergency scenarios. So, for example,
Mhm.
if I open heart attack, and then I want to see the symptoms, so I can see the symptoms from here. And if I want to see what to do in a certain scenario, if this is happening to me or someone else, I can just press this and have a step-by-step guidance with all the warnings and all
Wow.
important things that need to be there. And if I'm say like performing CPR, I can just go to the next like this with
Great.
animation.
Genuinely fascinating that you've built like a complete app on Mac. And I've personally
Mhm.
been a Mac user for like 6, 7 years. I don't know. Like every time I open my Mac, I really want to explore more and more,
Yeah.
do like whatever the possibilities are. Is it the same for you? Do you like relate on that? How do you feel the same way?
I've always been a very tech enthusiast, so I keep on looking at what new features are there, what new capabilities are being added. Like every year, I would be watching all like Apple events like WWDC Worldwide Developers Conference. I'll be watching it every year.
Wow.
Like last year was the time when I got to actually go there and experience it for the first time, but I had
Mhm.
been watching it for 10 years
Congratulations
now.
on that though.
Okay, honestly, it was so inspiring to talk to Gaurav and to see someone who's built an entire app on just a Mac. I've personally been a Mac user. I love how things happen on Mac. I edit all of my videos on my Mac, so I genuinely love the possibilities that are here and would love to explore them in the future. Now, post this session began my second work blog, and honestly, this day changed something in me, especially this place, because here I realized that it was all possible only if I stopped treating it like an aesthetic and start treating it like a system. Because the location had changed, the background had changed, the cafes have changed, but my patterns have come with me. The same pressure, the same overthinking, the same tendency to turn everything into a task, and the same fear that I am not doing enough. And so on this day, realistically, I had to ask myself this uncomfortable question: that was it even worth it to come here? Okay, it's 6:30. I've been working for the past 4.5 hours, and I think I should stop now क्योंकि मैं रुक पा नहीं रही हूँ. I'm constantly editing videos and stuff. अब रुक जाते हैं. Let's start exploring.
On the side of the ways that we try, hard to forge you through.
Exploration time. Unpopular opinion, but I feel इधर के malls are much better than मतलब इधर का जो एक mall में आई हूँ, not malls, than the Bangkok one. Honestly, I feel we need more such places. जहाँ पे मैं अभी थी, these co-working spaces in India also. This is in a mall and it's so nice. I genuinely loved it. ये सब इंडिया में क्यों नहीं है और ये कब आएगा? तो यहाँ पे ट्रायल रूम नहीं है, तो मुझे इसके ऊपर ही पहन के देखना पड़ रहा है. I feel this top looks cute and I'm gonna buy it. This is for like 290 baht, so like 300 rupees, 900 rupees, which I don't think is bad for something like this. So the shop's name is Prem. I don't know if it's Prem or Prem, but yes, I got the top. Okay, now I'm at this place, Eve and Boy.
What you want me to be, and just what you want out.
I ended up buying a lot of stuff.
I die just for one
And so now I'm calling it a day, just with the gratitude that I don't know where my life is headed, honestly, but I'm glad I'm taking one step each day to move towards my dream life and the life that I really want to live.
Hi, good morning. My morning has happened a little late today. It's almost 10 now. Yesterday I was really tired, though I did woke up at around 8:30 a.m., but I slept again because I really wanted to. Any which ways, I'm reading this book right now. It's called Prisoners of Geography. This is by Tim Marshall, and I picked it up in Bangkok. And side by side, I'm now going for breakfast, वरना वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. And thirdly, I also have to change my room today because जो ये इनका bathtub वाला room है, this is not available from today. It is already booked. So I'm going to shift in a lower category room, which is a garden view room, for the next couple of days. That's what is supposed to be done right now. And आगे के plans I'll make while I am at the breakfast. Let's
Okay, so the shifting into the new room has just happened. मैंने अपना luggage बस बहुत roughly pack किया and I am here in the new room. That's my luggage. बहुत ज़्यादा सामान हो गया ये जो मैंने कल ख़रीदा है और पता नहीं मेरा over ना हो जाए weight while I'm going back. चलो खैर, this is the bed, that's the sofa. More or less like furnishing वगैरह same है. It's just that this one is a little less spacious and वो जो balcony वाला पूरा area था जहाँ पे bathtub and everything था वो नहीं है. This I don't know what it is. I think this might be a connecting door to the next room, but lock है अभी. So yeah, this is pretty much how it is and how it looks. Hi, it's 1 p.m. and I'm ready and I am leaving. मैं कहीं as such नहीं जा रही हूँ. I'm just going downstairs at the restaurant to sit and work. 1 to 4 का मैं एक work block करना चाहती हूँ and then we shall proceed with a Muay Thai class that I have booked. More on that in the evening. Let's go.
Okay, now day 3, I could feel the mood of the experiment changing. The first day was excitement, second was logistics, but the third felt like a mirror. Because once the novelty settles in, you're left with yourself. And for me, that felt especially strange because I was not just traveling. I'm standing in the middle of a huge life transition. For years, my life has had a structure: school, entrance exams, medical college, posting exam, internship. Even when it was hard, even when I did not fully enjoy it, even when sometimes I felt trapped by it, there was always a next step. But now, for the first time in years, I have space. And space is beautiful, but space is also confronting. I think one reason this experiment feels so intense is because I am not just testing if I can work from another city. I am testing whether I can trust myself outside a system. Because when you're in a structured path, even when you feel unhappy, you still have an identity. You know what to say when people ask you what to do. You know what your next exam is. You know what your next posting is. You know what your next socially acceptable milestone should be. But when you step away from that, suddenly the question becomes much bigger. Not what do I have to do next, but how do I actually identify myself, and what are my parents going to tell people when they ask them, what does your daughter do?
Yeah. So, did you get any clarity on by when can you start? It's already 4:30, 4:45 मेरी क्लास स्टार्ट होती है और मैं अभी तक निकली भी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन बाहर एक्चुअली बारिश भी हो रही है. सो आई एम अ लिटिल confused only. What should I do? But I'm ready. I wore some sporty clothes and let's go. I hope I'm able to reach there and do the class in time. I'm late, but I'm here. sweating like anything, and it felt so good. I 100% recommend if you're coming to Chiang Mai, or even I think Bangkok movie classes, you should try it. I tried it at the Sting Gym Club. The trainer was also so nice. His name was Song. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but he was very patient with me. मैं 15 minute late पहुंची. They almost denied the class to me, but then I requested and they were so nice. They like took me in and it was so much fun. 100% 10 on 10 recommend.
As long as I can have your heart, 'cause you have mine, you have mine. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. There's a wonderful world beneath the concrete. We can dance all night, break the concrete.
तो याद है डोरेमोन में there used to be like these pet shops जहाँ से I guess शिजुका की कैनरी भी आई थी. Look at this. यहाँ पे रैबिट्स हैं, कुछ अलग अलग प्रकार के जीव हैं. ये क्या रकून है क्या, मुझे पता भी नहीं है ये सब क्या है, बट क्रेजी. बेबी पोमेरेनियन लिखा हुआ है कुछ पे. नहीं, ये शायद मीर कैट कुछ लिखा है. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत ही सारे. I was looking for spas and suddenly I've ended up in this neighborhood. मतलब मैं Google Map देख कर ही आई हूँ, but this looks like a nice place. This is actually a hotel, I think. Okay, so I'm at a real cash crunch now. I'm here at the spa and I just realized कि मेरे पास कम cash है, like probably 2,000-3,000 baht बचे हैं, and the spa only is 2,000 baht, which is like 6,000 rupees. It's a full body 2-hour massage. So I told her and she thankfully agreed, and I'll make an online payment क्योंकि मेरे पास कार्ड तो है नहीं, but online I can make payment. एकदम डर लग गया मुझे कि मैं ऐसे तो ना हो कि मेरे पास बिल्कुल घर जाने तक के, होटल जाने तक के पैसे ना बचे. खैर, अभी के लिए she has agreed, so I wish and I hope that this works. By the way, this is like a calming tea and everything that they've given me, and now I have to choose the oils.
That's the absolutely pretty massage room.
Excited, let's go.
Okay, day 3 almost coming to an end. From the outside, the experiment is going well, but internally, I started to realize that this challenge was not can I be a digital nomad? It is asking, can I handle the responsibility of designing my own life? And come back in part 2 to see if I get the answer by the end of the next 4 days.